Hi and welcome to Add More Zest with Diamonds. My name's Rebecca and I've got some items to share with you today that were got from FGoby. So they have sent me, or let me choose some goodies to share with you all. So I'm going to go for the one in the middle. So I'm thinking this is the one that I may have had to open to confirm who it was from. Yes, it was. Comes double bagged, this one, so I do get a clear bag and the outer bag, but this one is just adorable. It has 16 different colours. It does come with DMC numbers and the symbols are all letters and numbers, but look, isn't he adorable? So we've got a black lab sat in the grass giving puppy dog eyes. The actual diamond painting area is 35 centimetres by 25. This one has been made in a factory I've seen a couple of times before. They do have nice clear symbols, I will say. The toolkit is the standard toolkit, but they do send baggies. It looks like they do them by weight as well. So the stickers have the codes, they have the number it is, so that's number 16. They have that it's 3862 and they have the weight. But I do really like the fact that they have the number, the canvas number as well, which can really help if diamonds get mixed up, especially if you unbox lots of things at once. But look at those colours. So of course this is a lot of green, a lot of darker greys and blues. There's actually no black, so it is a mixture of 939, 823, 414. Those sorts of colours are making up the black lab. But of course it does look like a black lab when it's done. But there's some really nice greens in there as well. So that is painting number one. Oh, isn't he sweet? Okay, number two. Let's have a look at what we got for number two. Single bag. For this one, it is still a full drill. This is a black and white image that actually has 20 different colours to make it up. I've seen this one a few times, but I've never actually sort of chosen and unboxed it, and I don't know why. I think it's amazing how many colours actually make up what essentially looks like a black and white image. You would think it would be black, white and grey, but no. If you look closely, we have some purples, we have some greens, we have some pinks, and they all do really make to a picture that you can tell what it is. So say it has 20. All the symbols are letters, which is nice and easy on my brain. It is 34.5 centimetres for the diamond painting area by 25, so a nice size. You do get a toolkit, or you get a 3-placer on the end. And look at that for the diamonds. So you do get the white, but can you see that little hint of pink, of the dark blue, and also of the green. That mixed in with the greys and the black, which is there. What's that one? That's 19. That's a dark grey. But yeah, mix in all of those, and even with those colours, it does still come out as a black and white. So don't be scared if you end up with green, purple, pink in a black and white painting. It is true that they're there, and it's one of those you do sort of need to trust the process, but it is amazing how a black and white picture turns out with those colours in it. And look at the detail in that. So good. Okay, so that was number two. And number 3, final one for today. Get the bag to open so I can make sure I can get the painting out. We have a pop of colour for this one. So we've gone from black and white to bright, funky and bright. In fact, this reminded me a little bit of Rainbow Bright, even though it's not, or at least I don't think it is. This has 20 different colours. It does have some 310. And by the looks of that, that is mainly in the eye, and it is scattered about as well, just to help some of the hair, mane and background stand out. But yeah, 20 colours. It does have DMC numbers. They're all letters. All the symbols are letters. So that's good when you're repeating the letter to yourself 50 times while you place your diamonds. The canvas is 25 centimetres by just short of 35 centimetres. You do get a toolkit. Oh, look at that green. I don't know what it is. Like lime green. I don't have it anywhere in the house. Maybe I should. But I just really, really like that pop of lime green. Maybe I'll think of a way of getting a pop of lime green in my kitchen. But we have some whites and some browns, but then look at these. Look at all these colours together. Pinks and blues. Do have some more subdued colours in with them, but definitely loads and loads of really, really funky colours in that one. Yeah, really, really fun painting to do. And I think one that will be enjoyed by many, young and old. Doesn't matter whether you're young or old. You know, you'll have room in your life for a pop of colour or for a unicorn. Because why not? Okay, I'm going to fight with those diamonds later because they're not playing the game. But that is a 30 by 40. So we have brightness, black and white, and a bit of cuteness for today's paintings. I will, of course, pop the links in the description box, which is down below. If you hit the little arrow to the right, if it doesn't show you all the description, and that will give you all the links that you need. But thank you to FGoby for sending me these so that I could share them with you. Feel free to go and have a browse and see what else they have to offer. But thank you so much for watching, and I'll speak to you all again soon.